Today we're gonna do the chocolate coatings. So that, and then my name is Roby. And
my name is Gabby.
So yan, Dre. And ito po yung ginamit po namin, ginake po namin.
Na chocolate. It's dark creamy chocolate baking bar. Binoiled po namin siya and ito po sa
Yes, and ilagay na natin dito.
Magmo-mold na po kami.
That
Lalagay
one
na
is
po.
nature, this one is animals.
Hindi po siya nature. Girly po yung style.
This one is animals.
So, maglalagay na po kami. First, sa malaki.
Oh, Mom, where's mine?
Maya.
Wow. This is my first. Also my first time. It's like making a pancake, but you're gonna freeze it. You can try it actually. You didn't know exactly what I said.
Very good.
Ano yung sa yung sa cake ng red ribbon. Kapag yung chocolate.
Lahat yan iba mo.
Yeah. You do one entire thing.
Yeet.
Wow,
what is that? Is that a...
Yeah.
Yes, it's our
And I'm gonna do the mouse eating a cheese. There's a lot of here. There's a lot of animals.
Yes.
There's a butterfly, there's an elephant.
Well, it's your turn now.
Wow. Look. Parang sa red ribbon.
Parang chocolate.
Chocolate.
Hindi kayo mo.
Ang sarap. Di ba, Bebe?
See, it's full.
Masarap.
O, our turn naman.
Kulang na lang mag-bake kami ng cake.
Yeah. And then next of this, we did the trolling. And the next is going to be the
My
pop
gosh,
song.
Roby.
Ang dami na, Bebe.
I know. So, Mark, there's already 2 more challenges. If you haven't watched some of our... We also played Jenga. If you haven't watched that video, which is really They also did makeup. We also did Who Knows Me Better challenge.
Kaya mo yan.
What is that? Oh, it's a vitamin.
Wala yan.
Is that a vitamin?
Mami, ayaw na. Para may twist, lalagyan po natin siya ng raisins.
Yes.
I'm gonna add the cheese. Let's bury that. Let's bury it. So, probably surprise. I need a spoon.
Happy face.
We buried that in chocolate.
Isa pa ako, Kasi sobrang sarap.
Wow! That looks good.
Wow. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys.
I think it's working now. Guys, that's why we paused it. That's why we get raisins, because it's kind of like, it's jam. Oh my gosh! That's too much milk.
Para siyang naging light brown.
Yeah.
Hindi na siya naging malapot.
Ay,
Wait lang, kapatid.
Why don't you put some raisins?
Wait lang. Wait lang, Roby.
Take it on. You're finished. You don't need it. Let's go, Ladybug. Oh wait, we need some box. We're gonna add raisins as box.
galing niya po.
Pwede ka mag-apply ng consent.
Kaya.
Mag-a-apply ng consent.
Pati yung accent.
Where's the squeezing bottle?
The accents? Your accent is very good.
Next week. Ikaw.
Your accent is very good.
Okay, my turn. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Wow, that looks so nice. Oh, to make it even more, get some raisins and put.
Okay.
Yes, get raisins and then
Later.
put it in the middle of the flour. Raisins.
Later.
Add some raisins in the middle of the flour. Raisins. And do that. Pies. Oh my gosh.
Ganun lang.
I just had like 1 or 2 in each. Hey, did I get some? I just like. Oh my gosh, you're way ahead of me. I'm trying my best.
Mga English dyan, mag-practice ko lang kayo ako sa title, pero dito hindi mo na kailangan.
Tatlo pa lang po nagagawa niya kami po ay 6 na.
1, 2, 3.
Gawa ka pa.
Sige. Yan.
Yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna get
Slow.
May isa pa
Wala nga ano eh.
may dadalawa yung iba dyan. Aabutin mo 10 yan, Robin. Ay, hindi. Mga 7 or 8. Ay, 7 na yun. Pwede pa din, di ba? Wala.
Oh nga, ito na. Wala nga yung raisin.
Tagalog na siya. Wala na.
Isug. Parang pinaisog lang isang bata. Isug.
Gawa na nila.
Wala. Tumigos na naman po. Bilis.
Nagpawis
Okay
sila
lang
sa...
nga yun kasi nga. Okay lang yun, Ate Andre. Ay, Ate Andre pala. Because,
Okay naman na.
okay na naman po. Pagod na ako, Ruben.
Nawala niya.
Pizza.
Pizza challenge na lang yung next neto. Pizza challenge next.
Ito yun, no? Sige yan sa mga.
Nag-jump lang kasi.
Ang dami din.
So,
Ayan guys, tapos na po kami. Si Robin hindi pa. Kasi mag-isa lang po kasi naglalagay ng kanya. Kami dalawa.
so guys, tapos na kayo guys.
Patikim na guys.
Hoy, ako na.
Patay lang. Thank you guys.
Last one.
Wait.
Last one. Oh, too much.
Kung natira, papakin namin dalawa.
Palakas ba?
Dalawa talaga.
Tapakpakin po namin 3 to, mga natira. Sarap.
Lagay ko lang to sa fridge. Wait lang, dapat gagawin naman na. Di ba spicy? Para medyo mag-spread.
Sarap. So ayan guys, nilagay na po ni ilalagay na po ni Gabi yung mga ginawa po namin. Inaayos lang po yung freezer. Kakain mo na.
Naganda na ba?
Sarap.